In our previous video, we covered the Nifty's weekly range from 17,800 all the way to 18,400. Okay. This is, by the way, the hourly chart. And since touching resistance yesterday at 18,100 roundabout, Nifty has decided to sell off, breaking several support levels in the process. And it is currently trading at 17,825 with 17,850 as your resistance, and our support level is all the way down at 17,650. Okay, guys, looks like Nifty is going to fill this gap up we had on the 4th of April. In the process, if it remains below 800, it will go all the way to 17,650. All right. This is today being Wednesday. Everybody is waiting around for the U.S. Federal Reserve's meeting minutes to be released, and it's going to happen sometime later tonight. And so the market is already pricing in to a certain extent that the meeting minutes will show that the inflation is way too high still, and the Federal Reserve might decide to increase interest rates higher than expected. Right now, the expectation is about 50 basis points, and the market is anticipating that it's going to be higher for a longer period of time. Okay, so that's why we see the sell off, and technically speaking, Nifty has remained below 850 level all day today. It tried to break out, but it couldn't. It failed. As as you can see, it's back testing the resistance, getting rejected. And since Nifty follows the German DAX index quite closely, after the DAX opens at 130 this afternoon, we've seen considerable selling in the DAX, with the DAX at near support of 14,250. And it seems like it is interested in going further down. So we'll watch our Nifty levels closely, but we do expect that the markets to continue selling down to the 17,650 level tomorrow. All right, guys. So that's the range for tomorrow, 850 to 650. All right. Good luck. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video.